In this video, I'll be showing you how to paste multiple cells into one single cell in Excel. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now to do this is actually a very simple method, so go ahead and open up Excel. This could be on a brand new spreadsheet if you just want to follow along, or you can do this on an existing spreadsheet. So what I'm going to do is, like, let's say in A1, I'm just going to type in anything random. In A2, same thing. And I'm just going to make a few things right here in these cells. So obviously, currently, they're all separate cells, A1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But let's say I wanted to put them into like D1 and put them, all the same just in D1, right? All of these different things. So all I want to do firstly is see clipboard on the top left. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to show your clipboard. Then what I want to do is I want to go ahead and highlight all of these. So A1 to A5. Now, once I've highlighted everything, all I got to do is right click and then press copy. Now it's in my clipboard. And then all I got to do after the copying it is just find the cell that I want to copy everything in. Then just press F2 on your keyboard. You're going to see it right here on your clipboard. Then all you got to do is just go ahead and click on it. And now all of these are in cell E1 separately. As you can see, A1's right here. E1 is right here, and now they're all together. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.